Hi everyone, this is Shagun Sharma, and I think most of you already know that I love shopping. I absolutely love shopping, and shopping se zyada I love opening my parcels when they arrive. And excitement mein I've already opened the parcel, but I will show you guys what's in it. And this is not sponsored. This is my money. Okay, so let's start with the smaller one. आई डोंट इवन रिमेम्बर मैंने इतना छोटा क्या ही ऑर्डर किया है. Oh, oh yeah. So, okay. Basically, I was cleaning my room and I realized कि मेरे पास हर चीज रखने की एक पर्टिकुलर जगह है, except for my jewelry, accessories, whatever, my earrings and all. So I got this. This is the jewelry box. It looked much bigger picture mein. I was expecting this big, but it's like this much. I was expecting this much, but it's this much. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. I'm pretty sure उन्होंने measurements डाले हैं और मैंने check नहीं किया है. So that's okay. Okay. So it has two compartments. पहला ये है. This is for the rings. This is I think for जो rings यहाँ नहीं आएंगे वो यहाँ आ जाएंगे. I don't know. Maybe for that. Then this is another compartment. This is for your chains. I recently started wearing chains. तो मेरे पास I think 3-4 ही हैं और इसमें आप 1, 2, 3, 4 you can keep 5 chains over here. So that's good. और यहाँ earrings के लिए भी इन्होंने अलग से space दिया है. और यहाँ इन्होंने छोटा सा वो ऐसा रखा है कि आप यहाँ से poke करोगे तो वो earring proper यहाँ पर set हो जाएगा. I think this is a very cute jewelry box and I love the color. I was confused between pink and white. Lately, I'm loving pink color. I don't know what has happened to me, but मुझे हर चीज pink अच्छी लग रही है. Pink, beige and white. These have become my favorite colors now, I think, but they keep changing. So who knows? Yeah. So this is very cute. If you guys want me to make a video on how I set my jewelry in this jewelry box, please comment down below and I'll record that as well when I set this. And the second thing जिसके लिए मैं बहुत 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 ज़्यादा excited हूँ. Actually, I've been nagging everybody for a nice zipper. I think I've nagged my parents, I've nagged Aman about it, and बेचारा he even got me a zipper and I lost it. So that's really sad. But I'm strong, independent. Okay. So मैंने अपने लिए खुद zipper order कर दिया. And this is the it's not the wrong order. It's just कि मुझे नहीं लगा था कि इतना बड़ा होगा. I'm pretty sure उन्होंने measurements डाले थे और मैंने ही नहीं देखे. So yeah, this is exactly how I shop. But look at it, this is so big. This is actually very big and I love the color. I think they had like 40 color options and this was the one जो मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा था. Color के लिए भी अच्छा लगा था and also it has like, it comes with one metal straw, 2 plastic straws and the best thing is it comes with a straw cleaner. तो मेरे पास बहुत सारे सिपर्स थे पहले भी जो स्ट्रॉ के साथ थे, बट आफ्टर 2 or 3 यूजेस ओनली उसका स्ट्रॉ इतना ज्यादा गंदा हो जाता है दैट इट बिकम्स यूजलेस. और मेरे दिमाग में कभी आया नहीं कि मैं एक स्ट्रॉ क्लीनर ले लूं इंस्टेड ऑफ बाइंग सिपर्स ओवर एंड ओवर अगेन. बट अगेन nevertheless that's fast. We don't look at fast anymore here. This is the zipper which comes with a cleaner, so that's good for me. And I'm gonna have so much water now because it's so cute. Smells new. I have this habit of smelling everything. Like खाना भी पकड़ोगे तो ऐसे करती हूँ जबकि I don't know how to cook anything. This is very very nice. I think if I have to pick one thing that I like more, I like this way more than the jewelry box. Okay guys, if you wanna see any more of my unpacking videos, and so please let me know because अभी मेरे कुछ और parcels भी आने हैं. एंड नन ऑफ माई वीडियोज आर स्पॉन्सर्ड, ऑल दिस थिंग्स ये मैंने खुद से खरीदी है बिकॉज आई लाइक देम. सो आई लेट यू गाइस नो हाउ दिस इज गोइंग. बाय बाय. Okay, that's embarrassing. Bye bye.